Hi, this week we're going to be reviewing two gel stoves, putting them head to head, mano a mano, see which one comes out top dog. Stay tuned and let's get to it. If this is your first time here and you want to see real world reviews on kit and techniques that you can use while you're out stealth camping, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, selecting all notifications, that way you'll see every video as it drops. I'm G and this is Big Grizzly Outdoors. If you're a regular to the channel, then you'll know I'm a massive fan of the gel stove. They're lightweight, they're compact and they're super stealthy. Now my gel stove of choice at the moment is the Swiss Army M71. I like it so much in fact that I wanted to try and improve on it, make my own design. However, when I was researching it on the internet, I found that the M71 has got a competitor, the Highlander gel stove. But which one's better? Nobody knows. Well, we're going to find out today. I'm going to put 350 millilitres of water in a titanium mug and we're going to do a boil test to see which one boils the quickest. After that, we're going to let them burn out to see which one burns the longest. So, let's take a closer look at these two gel stoves. Okay, let's light the fires and kick the tires. Well, looking at the old right, so I'd say that was 7 minutes 30 and the M71 is boiling. I'm going to take that off and just let that burn out now. Highlander, just a few bubbles. Okay, and at 10 minutes it looks like the what's the name one's going as well, the Highlander. Let's take that off, just let those to burn. Okay, put in the comments which one you think is going to win. And that's the M71 done. 51 minutes 30 seconds. Now let's see how long the Highlander does. Well, that's an hour and the Highlander's still going strong. One hour 34. Good morning. Well, the results are in. As we know, the Swiss Army M71 boiled water a lot quicker than the Highlander gel stove. A good 4 minutes quicker. However, the Highlander gel stove burnt for 40 minutes longer than the Swiss Army M71. Now there are some mitigating circumstances here. The M71 from brand new is only 2/3 full of gel, whereas the Highlander gel stove is filled pretty much to the top. Now both gels in these gel stoves are different. I reckon that the Swiss Army one burns hotter than what's in the Highlander gel stove. Now both of these are empty, so I'm going to fill these right to the top with Dragon gel, and I reckon then the M71 will give the Highlander gel stove a good run for its money on burn time. Now what's the cost? Well, the Highlander gel stove is $4.99. However, when you add on the shipping to this, it takes it up to nearly £10, whereas the Swiss Army M71 is $7.99 off of eBay. I'll stick the links in the description below. Now if you want to support the channel and you buy off of these links, it does help my channel out. However, with prices that they are at the moment, I suggest that you search the internet and get the best price that you can for yourself. So, what do I think of both of these stoves? They're both as good as each other, I reckon. The Swiss Army M71 is a bit special to me, and I will continue to use this one, I think. However, I reckon that the Highlander gel stove gives it a good run for the money, and it's still going to be in my kit. So, what do you reckon? If you've used these stoves, put something in the comment and let me know. Thanks for taking the time to click this video. Your help and support is always greatly appreciated. I've been working on a new project for the last couple of weeks, and hopefully next week this will get the green light to go ahead, making next week's video a bit extra special. As always, be safe. #leave no trace.